Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Jaeger-LeCoultre Polaris Chronograph. And first I want to remind you we're here at Wixon Jewelers in Bloomington, Minnesota. So now let's jump right into this watch. So this watch comes in a 42mm in diameter case that is available in both steel and pink gold. This is obviously the steel version. I probably prefer this the most because it's the most sporty in feel. And that kind of evokes the whole theme of the Polaris collection, which is a very classy sports watch. So you're not going to see a serious diver from that collection. All the watches, at least the ones that I've seen, have a 100-meter water resistance, which is perfect for just swimming or any other sporting activity that you may do. But it's not that serious into one particular thing. It's just a great watch kind of for everyday living. And they're all available at pretty reasonable prices. The base Polaris Automatic was $6,600 starting retail, which is fairly reasonable. And then this chronograph is available for $10,700, which from a premium brand like Jaeger-LeCoultre is a great deal. I mean, you're getting an in-house movement with a double barrel chronograph, and it has a 65-hour power reserve, which is well above my 48-hour limit that I kind of like to see in all premium watches. And the movement is beautifully decorated. All the movements in this collection are very impressive. So you can see the beautiful Côte de Genève on that movement. I mean, it is finished very, very well, and it has the clear case back. This watch definitely has earned its clear case back. Now, many sports watches have clear case backs that just, I mean, the finishing is not really up to par, but this is definitely not that case. I mean, this watch is, again, the finishing is superb. So this watch is available on both a leather strap and steel bracelet here, and I probably would get this on the leather strap. I tend to prefer that a little bit more, but the bracelet gives it a little bit more of a sporty feel. And again, this watch is definitely a sports watch. You have the tachymeter right here, which is perfect for tracking your speed or distance traveled. And I think that, I mean, this is a very functional chronograph if you want to have it, but it's also just a great everyday piece, as I was saying. So I'll demonstrate the chronograph by pushing the top pusher. It is not a flyback chronograph, but again, for the price, you're getting a chronograph with an in-house movement from a premium brand, so it's fairly reasonable. So now I'll stop the chronograph again, pushing that top pusher, and reset with the bottom pusher. So it's a very nice chronograph. It functions very well. The click is very satisfying. But now I'll move on to a wrist shot, but first I'm going to describe the clasp of this watch on the bracelet. So this watch is one of the stranger clasps I've ever seen, considering you have to push these buttons, as well as these buttons to open it. I think this is a great extra safety feature, but it may get a little bit annoying over time if you're trying to take it off rather quickly. But all in all, I think it's an okay feature to have on a watch. So now I will try the watch on. So the bracelet, again, is very comfortable. It's finished very well with both brushed and polished surfaces. So the clicks on the actual buckle itself are very nice. So again, very comfortable. The 42mm case size is fine. It would look good on pretty much anyone's wrist. I have about a 6.5 inch circumference wrist, and I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I think it wears a little bit bigger than a 42mm though, I must add, because of the fact that there's kind of a lot of open space on the dial, but that's just something you should know. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.